some money online. Today again, I'm coming here to show you 4 steps to generate money online. So do not forget to watch the video until the end, because I get some hint for you. I would like you to see, and I would like you to know about, and then get some paid directly. Okay, so remember to watch until the end, and the description down below, take a look and click and continue to watch and get your business to the next level. First of all, as we've been on Google, we're gonna type TV Streets. You're gonna type Streets. TCH.com, Stretch.com, and when you get to Stretch.com, and what you do, you can go ahead and create your username and password. This site is just buffering right now. With these steps I'm going with you. Remember, you can make thousands of dollars. So most likely I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make $2,000 daily doing this. Okay, $2,000 daily. I'm gonna post this. Okay, this video you can see right here, a lot of people watching games, a lot of people doing movies, watching movies and stuff right here. So what we can do, we're gonna use every video that we find here, and we're gonna use a website called, we're still going to google.com. We're going to use a website called Kurdi.com. Kurdi.com. It's CUTY. Enter. Kurdi.com. Let's see if I can get to it. It is a short link. It is a short where you can short your video. Short SHRL. Short URL. Certain. Okay, give me a moment so we can get to it. Let me double GT right now. I think we do not get there yet. It's kind of stuck. It is stuck. So let's try to get it here. Kurdi short link. Okay, we got to it now. It's Kurdi short link. So we're gonna click on this link. First of all, what we do, we sign up. Okay. So you can say login, but you sign up first. Okay. Okay, now so we can short any link. So let's go to this, to Threads. Okay, any video that you find over here, you can copy it. You see, a lot of people been playing live games and stuff like that. So, and you can click on any one, on any of them video they're watching. But remember, you always have to sign up over here, and then any video that you want to watch. People are playing game on the platform.
Oh, good. The Astro Wall had me thinking that they had so much time, bro. I thought somebody was
and you can watch movies too.
Space, like, I didn't expect the jet to pop a 2-piece.
I should have killed the fucking Cypher thing, Hobo.
Oh, if only you seen.
Okay. if you come down here, you say about send TV. Okay, Latino Vibe TV, music, sport, creatives. As you could see here, it's a platform where everybody just playing games. You know, the youth are playing so much games here. It is enjoyable. Okay,
No.
when you log in, okay, and then you can always copy any. Let's say if I want to short this link, copy, Control plus C, and then I come here to the shorten link. I can place it right here, Control plus Z, and then shorten. It doesn't show anything. Let's see if I say copy. Let's see what is gonna tell me here. If I wanna place it here, it doesn't do it. I have to try another one. I'm just putting movie, enter. Any games that guy been putting gonna show up here. I'm gonna go to video over here. You look for which one you like, and it is buffering, and they say nothing has found. Let's go back to the main page.
I wish for the amazing new iPhone 15 Pro.
Sean, do you mean this one, the one with titanium?
No way I could trade this busted up thing for one.
Maybe stealing wishes from the birthday boy is not your best plan. Switch to Verizon and trade in any iPhone and get the new iPhone 15 Pro on them.
What?
Yep, and on an amazing network.
And I don't have to ruin any more birthday parties.
Yeah, that ship has sailed. Let's go get you that iPhone. Here we go. Come on now.
Trade in any iPhone in any condition for a new iPhone 15 Pro on us, only on Verizon.
Alright, when you copy it, I'm gonna show you another website where you're going to put it so you can go ahead and make money with it.
To Dortmund.
Let's try to stop that music.
Wait, it's only an hour train.
Okay, he's going to play video and stuff, and that's why he's playing his live. And I'm gonna show you another website where you're going to drop whatever the shorten link. Okay, now let's say Paydora.com. Paydora. Okay, Paydora. Paydora, all one money making solution. Turn your time. So now what you do, you click on that, making money solutions. It purposes. The first link maybe is not the one that I'm looking for, but keep follow with me and we will get to it together. Alright, when you come here, you're gonna create your username and password. Alright, let's go back. How much Pedora pay? Wait, how much Pedora employee make? Pedora employment, Pedora Glassdoor. Sign up, create an account. Now I'm gonna put my account right here. Okay, I'm gonna put my name, username, create your username, email, password, and confirm. Okay, and after you're doing all this, and you're gonna log into it, and then you're gonna paste your link inside of it. When you paste your link, and then anybody who clicks on that link will pay you automatically. Okay, automatically they're gonna pay you per clicks. That's how you're gonna make your money. All right, so I do not go too far from this, but I know you're gonna make money by doing this. And the next website that I have, PayPal. Remember, from doing this on Pedora, that's where people are gonna click on your link. But and here on Kotley, so after you get signed up, let me click on those bars to see anything else that you need to know. Available features, pricing. It's loading. Remember, you can do it for free. When you try to log in, link, click, shorten 30 you got to pay for this one. You can start for free, and later on they can ask you to pay. Okay, $12 monthly, but right now you don't have to pay anything to short your link. Okay, so welcome to do this. Do not get scared, but you're gonna make some money. Anything that you've been using, they are cost. Like you need to have money in order to make money, but it's not all the time. You can start with $0 from this website. Okay, first of all, what you do, I could say, you short your link, you link analysis, your link is advanced link, analysis platform, tracks, clicks, shorten link, provide extensive statistics to help you measure effectiveness of your short link. Link in bio, create your own link. Okay, you can better reach your audience. Codes, QR codes, you can use that too, but they ask you to sign up first. After you get signed up, and then you get in. So anything after you sign up will be easier for you, will be very explainable. That's where you can get your real shorten and count your clicks and start making money. How you gonna get paid when you already making the money? You're gonna use something called a website, a banking site that called PayPal. You're gonna go to google.com as usual, and it's gonna bring you to PayPal. Just put PayPal.com, digital wallet, money management, and more. So So when you get here, you say sign up. Okay. You scroll down and get started. While you get started, you're gonna put your name, last name, email, and then make sure you have your notebook, your notepad ready. Okay, your email address. Next. Your phone number. 689 46 6798. Next. Alright, this phone number, they send a code to that phone number. I would have to put that phone number in this casier, any those little rectangle plates, rectangle thing. I would put the code in it, and then I would say send the code or call in your phone. Okay, something went wrong, this is later. So I know that I'm giving you an example. After exactly you finish doing this, you're gonna receive a code, you're gonna work with your code, you're gonna continue doing what you're doing. That's how you're gonna make your contact with the bank online. They're gonna write you, or they're gonna send you a card that you're gonna write your account, your account number, your routing number, and your PIN number, everything. But after you finished, and you keep them until when they send you that card so you can use it physically. So now you know how you're gonna get paid when you have those numbers. You're gonna go to that account over here, which is URL Kotley URL, and then you're gonna sign up your account there. And anytime you make money, you can have automatic payment if you set up that payment to receive automatic payment. Usually they pay you first check, physical check, but after that you're making all your payment digital online. So this is what I had for you today, and that's all that you had to do. And see you anytime. Okay, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. So see you anytime. Bye bye.